Let's grab this bull by its tail, mount it, and ride it with me into the future! Hear me, oh financial district, and people in that building beware! This is a Krull to arms! Follow me to glory!
This is your Krull to arms. What I'm looking forward to is everybody that's made a pit stop in our room over the last 3 months. Come on back. I want to see the whole collective there all at once. I'm talking about you, Joey Ghetto, Panama, Dogs, everybody. Andrew D, Wake Up, my Canadian contingent, my VWAP guy, my Bollinger Band guy, my Hedge Fund Harry, my Rob Roy's. Everybody come in at one time. Let's see what we got. And prepare for Friday. I know Friday's not going to be your most active trading day. It's the end of the week, going into the holiday weekend. Nobody wants to ruin their holiday weekend with the chance of losing money. But right now, this market's handing us money. And I'm not the one that's usually saying how things are good. But sitting here, and the saying lately has been, don't lose money, prepare to make money. Don't go out there looking to trade. Sit back, wait for something to come to you. That's the way you should be treating this always, but now more than ever. And the last couple of days, yesterday was a gap up day. You know, normally I don't trade gap up days. I wait for something to come to me, to fade. Nothing was fading. But then eventually we had Baidu, we had Sina, and we had Yoku make decent moves. Even GMCR gave us a little bit of an opportunity there. So things are actually doing well. And I think it has to be with this give and take in the room. Me talking, helping me think more about my trades, is helping me trade, as well as giving you the ideas of what I'm looking at. Now, again, it's a collective. We got my boy Greg A in there. He's throwing us ideas. Rob Roy comes in. We got the Dave Shine crew stops by right now. So my idea, which has been formulating and taking root over the last 3 or 4 years, is really starting to come together. We got the people that I want to come into the room, people that you want to listen to. I don't want to be the guy always talking as much as I love myself and just want to hug and kiss myself. You realize those are lies. I like talking and all. I think I have something important to say from time to time, but a lot of the stuff I talk about is just, oh God, it's just rubbish. Tebowism. Some people get insulted that I'm calling Tebow my Lord and Master right now. Tebowism. Social communarchy. Some of my policies that are changing the world might rub you the wrong way, but that's what I want to do. Invite you to the room to have some back and forth and some banter. And of course, we're going to talk to our gold and silver expert and talk about websites involving gold and silver coins. Wait till you see that. And also, we're going to make a stink, because the Milk Street Cafe gave me a great idea. Not that I want to open up a restaurant with 23,000 square feet to sell bagels, overpriced bagels, but I want to have access to my bull. I don't know if you know this or not, but the bull that we always go to and hang out by, they have the bike rack still surrounding the bull, and I find insult in there that my freedom to touch and caress the bull and hold him like I want to has been taken from me. I feel that is not right. But here's what I'm talking about. We have a certain amount of days left in the year. We're on this nice run. Things are going well. The chat room has been just unbelievable. I don't know exactly what's happening here. Maybe this is some sort of, and I probably shouldn't say this out loud, but things are looking good. And I don't normally say that out loud. I mean, there might be some sort of chaos today that ruins my good mood again, but this is something strange, and I credit everybody that's been coming to the room. Every time there's somebody new in the room, makes it more exciting. We have lady traders that aren't being disrespected, which is really, I'm proud of the chat room. A lot of times we would bring some women in there or bring some people, and suddenly I would get an email about how disgusting the room was and how rude and childish it was. I'm not getting those emails anymore. Wow. So things are progressing, because things can get carried away in the room, of course, because we talk about some heated subjects from time to time. all in the idea of to prevent you from over trading your account. If there's nothing going on, I'm not going to be talking about trading. And I'm going to be talking about other things to prevent you guys from doing anything foolish. But then if you see something that's a good idea, you bring it to my attention, we look at it together, and we all decide whether or not it's a good idea, and we either strike or don't strike. But things are pretty good. All right, so on that note, it's 9 o'clock. You know where you got to be.